Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to calculate time difference in terms of days, hours, minutes, and seconds in Excel very quickly and easily. You just have to write just one simple formula and you will get this beautiful time difference. Alright, to take an example, this is a task list. I have around 11 tasks and each of them has start time and date and task completed date and time, right? So and this is the time it took. So you may have a scenario or a use case like uh, a race labs or a jobs. If you're working in computers, you will have multiple tasks to be completed and you will have a task to analyze how much time each job or each task took. So one example would be a task list, and this is the start time and this is the end time. So basically it has date and time, right? So because if it stretches more than a day, definitely we have to calculate and consider the days as well. All right, and this is the difference in terms of how much time it took. So this particular task number one took 2 days and 19 minutes. As you can see here, right, the task started on January 1st at 12 hours and it completed at the same time, but almost same time, but 2 days later. So it took 2 days, 19 hours. So in this case is exactly 4 days because only the date has changed. So the January 2nd started and completed on 6th of Jan and the time is same. All right. And you can take a look at this. So this job or task completed on the same day and it just took 1 hour. Okay, so this you can easily make out how much time it took in terms of days, hours, minutes, and seconds. So let me change in a seconds as well so that we will have an idea. Okay, let me put as 10 seconds. So ideally it should be less than an hour. Okay, so 59 minutes, 50 seconds. So that's the time difference. That's the time the task 7 took. Okay, so that's about the data and now I'm going to show you how to calculate this. Let me hide. Okay, so I will use this new row. Okay, you can say whatever you want. This is an example demonstration. I'm going to use this string. All right, so go to insert and then formula. Okay, so I'm using 2016 office or rather office 360. I'll have a different menus. Never mind, you should be able to know that. Okay, inside a function, so go to text. Okay, here, right? So select text and then say okay. So this dialog pops up. All right, so if you're an advanced user, you don't need this. You can straight away type the formula there, but for safer side I'm using this so that you will understand better. Okay, so first of all what we need to do is find the difference between the column C and column B. Okay, so task 1, column C and column B. That's time completed minus time started. Alright, so this will give some value, but ignore that because that's a timestamp value. Uh, with that, we cannot make out anything. So we should have a readable format output. Alright, so this is the tricky thing here. So this text function has a format text. So there is a huge list of options, but in our case, I'm going to use a format which will give me the difference in terms of days, minutes, days, hours, minutes, and seconds. So for that, let's start with the GD and then H for hours, M for minutes, and then S for seconds. Okay, so the result it came here, right? Oh, because I have given one H, it's showing only 10. So for that, I will use 2H. Okay, and the same thing goes for seconds. Okay, yeah, this is beautiful. Say okay, your formula will be complete. Okay, so let me reiterate again. So the first parameter for text function is the difference between the task completed and task uh, started date and time. And the second parameter is the format text, that's DD, H, M, and SS. So note that I have used colon, so that will give you an idea when standard output, right? This is how the time is represented. So you can use anything for that matter. All right, so you can read this as 2 hours, 2 days, 0 hours, 19 minutes. Okay, you just drag down, it will be filled for everything. Okay, so this you got for 59 minutes and 50 seconds. So this is how you calculate a time difference, uh, which when you have a date and time value. And please remember, this should be date and time format. If it is a text, it won't work. You have to convert that into a date format. If you need more information, check out my channel. I have a video on that as well, converting a text into date. Okay, thank you folks for watching this. If you have any questions, do let me know by putting a comment below. Check out my channel for other useful videos. Thank you.